Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you how to download an action-packed story-driven data pack on your server. New in Town is a multi-stage story-driven settlers experience data pack offering gameplay similar to games like Ark. With this data pack you're founding, building and defending land as well as bringing the fight to the enemies. To get started, all you need to do is join the server with the data pack enabled and pick up an oak log. Then, a book with the name Town Charter should drop nearby or spawn in your inventory. All you have to do then is click on the Start Your Settlement text on a location you want to start your adventure. That will spawn in a tent that will be your home from now on. Next to that tent, there's a town planner villager that can trade you a settlement site recipes book. If you open it up, there's a range of structures you can spawn, from lumber mills to guard towers, mining drills, bakeries, offices, and much more. For example, if you want to build a structure, all you have to do is right-click on one of the site planners near your tent and put the materials inside as the recipe suggests. After, press S and wait for the structure to spawn. This pack is super awesome. Over time, if you collect the resources needed for the structures, you'll have a huge, fully functioning town to protect. But as you upgrade more and more nether forces will spawn in. They start off easy, so don't worry. They're simply wither skeletons with some armor, and they drop building permits upon death. However, they get progressively more powerful, ending up in the appearance of the tyrant himself, a mighty wither. Lastly, this data pack also spawns in random structures within your world for you to explore, like this one on the screen. Firstly, you can use the link in the description to get to the official download page. Scroll down to where it says Download Data Pack and click it for your file to be instantly downloaded. To make the next step easier, we recommend you move this zip to a place we can easily access, for example, your desktop. When that's done, open the zip and take out the Custom Recipe Tools folder, as that's a separate data pack we're going to be enabling on the server later. For this step, you're going to have to go to the Server.pro website and access your server control panel from there. At the dashboard, make sure that the server version matches the data pack version to ensure no complications. As of now, the website states it's for 1.17 to 1.18, but this may change in the future, so please check before continuing. Before proceeding to the next step, quickly confirm that the server is offline. Firstly, I'll be showing you how to upload the data pack onto a world you've already created. This data pack doesn't require you to make a new world, but if you're interested in that, I'll be showing you how to create a brand new world with the data pack enabled after. Firstly, what you're going to do is head to the Files tab. Click on the World folder and then the Data Packs folder. Here's where you're going to drag the New in Town data pack zip you downloaded at the beginning of the video. And that's it, the data pack is uploaded onto your world. However, if you're interested in creating a brand new world with the data pack enabled, you're going to want to head to the Worlds tab. Here's where you're going to create a brand new world. You can set your world name and adjust world settings as usual. Just make sure the world name doesn't have spaces or special characters. However, below you'll also see a button labeled Upload Data Packs. Simply click the Select Files button and then navigate to the area where you saved the New in Town data pack zip to. Once you've found it, press Open and then Create World. It'll take a second for the files to upload, but when that's done, you should go into the Files tab. Double-click on your world folder and then go into the Data Packs folder. If you see the data pack zip inside, it means you followed these steps correctly. However, if you also want the optional Custom Recipes data pack folder installed as well, simply drag the folder into the Data Packs section. Quickly restart your server and that's it. All you have to do now is log into your server to experience the new additions. You can do this by heading to the dashboard and copying the host name. Afterwards, quickly launch your Minecraft application and when it's open, head to the multiplayer section. Click Add Server and in the server address section, paste the host name. Now, when you join the server, you'll be able to experience a brand new game within Minecraft. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more from my channel. Thank you for watching.